Hey, how often you're in a dilemma of making decisions? We are watching a Netflix show and saying one more, I'll sleep later. You're at a party and a friend offer you to drink or smoke and you're wondering what to do. You were thinking of bunking a school and going for a movie and you're wondering should I say the truth or lie. There are many decisions where you are often at a crossroad. And so you need to understand there are two brains. One is the feeling brain and the thinking brain. The feeling brain is more dominant in your age group, as research says that it takes up to 25 years for the thinking or the rational brain to get fully developed. Now, how do you wake the thinking brain and the rational brain? While making a decision, think in your head the pros and the cons. Write the pros and the cons or think about it. That's one of the way you can do it. The second way is you can give a space. Don't make immediate decision. And the third way is speak to the trusted expert. Could be parents, could be father, could be mother, could be your elder brother, or could be your guardian, right? Ensure in developing your thinking brain and not getting succumbed to the peer pressure of looking cool, or I won't have more friends if I don't make those decisions, or what if people will feel if I say no. Stop all that and make your rational choices.